Welcome to NPM Tech. Cool model kits that you will want to buy. U-Gear's Wolfo 1 handgun. The U-Gear's Wolfo 1 handgun is the perfect new addition to any collection of wooden gun models. Combining a classic handgun design with sleek wooden construction, the Wolfo 1 mechanical handgun is truly a sight to behold. There are a lot of wooden handgun models out there that don't do a whole lot in the way of functionality. As cool as these models may look, they tend to collect dust on your shelf because there's not much you can do with them. The U-Gear's Wolfo 1 mechanical handgun is different because it functions similarly to a real handgun, firing up to 5 shots per round. Instead of feeling like you own something that looks just like a handgun, you can own something that works like it, too. This mechanical handgun provides hours of safe and peaceful fun. Woodwow Robot. The Woodwow Robot is a wooden assembled chariot robot with a variety of models. The Woodwow Robot is similar to other traditional wooden assembly models, using wood as the main structural material, and the whole assembly does not need to use screws or glue, completely relying on manual assembly. But unlike other traditional board assembly model, Woodwow Robot combines the wooden mechanical structures with a programmable robot controller, motors, sensors, and other electronic modules together to make the wooden model move and act like real robots, thus bring us more happiness. Toyon V8 engine. Toyon V8 engine model kit is a DIY project that brings great fun. Consisting of highly precise parts that are assembled according to the instructions, you can learn about the mechanics with your kids, and it is obviously the perfect family DIY project as well. This model engine kit features a high degree of simulation in miniature, highlighted by a red sports element design and a 1/10 appearance scale, which is amazingly realistic, as if the real engine is right in front of your eyes. Jolly Look DIY Kit. The Jolly Look Instax camera is an innovative camera kit allows you to create your very own camera using just a few simple components. With easy-to-follow instructions and all the materials you need included in the kit, you'll be able to build a working pinhole camera in no time. Not only is the Jolly Look DIY pinhole camera kit a great way to get creative and hands-on, but it's also an eco-friendly option for photography enthusiasts. The camera is made from durable, sustainable materials like plywood and wood, so you can feel good about using it to capture your memories. But don't let the DIY aspect of this camera fool you. It produces high-quality, professional-looking images that are sure to impress. Whether you're an experienced photographer or just starting out, the Jolly Look DIY pinhole camera kit is a fun and unique way to explore the world of analog photography. Makerphone DIY Kit. Interested in learning about the inner workings of a modern cell phone and perhaps building one yourself? Look no further than Makerphone, the educational DIY mobile phone that you build and code yourself. This kit allows you to fashion a fully functional mobile phone capable of making calls, running cat videos on repeat and playing basic games like Space Invaders, Pong or Snake. As you might have already guessed, this is not a fully fledged smartphone capable of connecting all your face places to your websites. But in addition to not having to worry about your identity getting hacked, you'll learn about resistors, basic electronics, soldering, smartphone operations, coding, programming languages, and a whole host of other marketable skills as you make the leap from consumer to creator. Makerphone makes it easy to up your personal knowledge game while also cutting off Big Brother at the knees. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share.